So this is a room tour of room 8001, which is a Cypress suite at Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Vegas. I mean, it has its own entrance section. So you kind of know you're not really in a run-of-the-mill room. So it's off the main run of rooms. Now, when I arrived yesterday, there was a door hanger saying that the carpets have been professionally cleaned, and it just smelled immaculately clean in here. And I have to say, I do love the carpets. It's so Vegas, isn't it? But just look at this. This is just insanity, really. So, dining table there. You've got chargeable items here, obviously, and in that fridge, that's just storage space. And you've got a kind of bookcase thing here. I mean, it is literally like an apartment. You could quite happily live here, absolutely no problem. Big telly with a sound bar. Lovely furniture. Obviously all the drapes and the shears are automatic, like on those buttons. And then you have two bathrooms, one each side of the bed. So this is the first one. I'm not using this one. So if you wake up in the middle of the night, you need to use the toilet, you walk in here, you go near it, there you go. It just goes up. Cleans it all for you. The seat's heated. There are various buttons to press there, depending on what you want done. Now this bathroom has a tub with a bit of cool artwork and a ornament there. I think this is the safe. Yeah, it is. Fairly standard, really. And then you have a view of Caesars, Harrods and Flamingo, and then the horseshoe around the corner there. Some more drawer space. And then this is your bed. And having slept here one night so far, just incredibly comfortable. If you want to watch the fountains, you've even got seats at the end of the bed. And just look at this. I mean, what's not to like? When I woke up after my late afternoon nap yesterday to the fountains, and in my regular vlog you can see the footage of that. Just incredible. You could literally just lie there all night. You've got a writing desk in the corner there. Another telly there. I guess my only comment would be you wouldn't really watch the telly from bed because you're going to crick your neck. I mean, the bed is designed to look out on the fabulous sights in front of you. I mean, frankly, I don't turn the telly on from one day to the next when I'm here. Literally, I never turn it on, apart from to maybe check out. So that doesn't bother me at all. And then the second bathroom here, it's pretty much the same as the first. View of Planet Hollywood and Cosmo. That's all my stuff on there. The reason I'm using this one is because you have a lovely shower. Closet space is identical to what you've just seen on the other side, as is the toilet. You never get bored of doing that, really. It's funny. Now, one other thing I just wanted to show you while we're here is these accommodations down here, because you can see them really well from this floor. As I said, it's the 8th floor. So these are obviously the ultra posh accommodations with their own private pool. I'll go to the front as well. And this morning when I woke up, they had all of the people out cleaning the pools and dusting everything down. You got telly, got a telly there. You got a bar. I guess they probably have a private butler and all that stuff. I mean, it is quite something. I mean, if you qualify for one of those, you've got to gamble a fair bit, I would imagine. I haven't seen anyone sat out or walking about apart from staff. So there you go. That is the Cypress suite. Quite what I did to deserve this, I've no idea, but I'll certainly take it. I got this 2 nights free, 475 free play, 250 resort credit. Well, viva Las Vegas. Speak to you soon.